And indeed, there have been reactions from African nations too. South Africa's ruling ANC has expressed its concern over the move. The US has long been considered a neutral mediator in the Israeli-Palestinian peace process. The ANC is worried that may change. The South African ruling party has also reiterated its ongoing support for the people of Palestine in their struggle for self-determination. And the African Union, meanwhile, has condemned Donald Trump's decision. AU Commission Chairperson Moussa Faki Mahamat says the move will only increase tensions in the region. CGTN's Girum Chala has more from the South African capital, Pretoria.
The African Union has always displayed strong solidarity with the Palestinian people and it supports their quest for an independent and sovereign state with East Jerusalem as its capital. But now that President Donald Trump has made his decisions of recognizing Jerusalem as Israel's capital clear, the AU is not happy. Through a statement, the chairperson of the commission, Moussa Faki Mahamat, said President Donald Trump's decision is a means to derail the already complicated peace process between Israel and Palestine. And he believes this move will also elevate tensions in the Middle East. According to the statement, the AU's Faki Mahamat has called for a renewed international efforts to find a just and lasting solution to the conflict based on the existence of two states, Israel and Palestine, living side by side in peace and security within the framework of relevant African Union and United Nations pronouncements. Girum, CGTN, Pretoria, South Africa.